Students, just have a look on the second numerical. Here it is, a first order reaction is 15% complete in 20 minutes. How long will it take to 60% completion? In this numerical, right, we are given two cases. Now, the second case is related with the first one, right? So here, in the first case, the time is given to us and the concentration term variation is also given to us. We have to determine the rate constant, right? So the rate constant which will be determined from the first case will be just applied on the second case because the reaction is not getting changed and there is no temperature variation which is given here, right students? So here the rate constant which will be of the first part of the numerical will also be applied. The value of rate constant will be also be applied on the second part so that we can find out the time. So let's start. So here we are going to use equation, integrated rate equation for the rate constant. It's k equals to 2.303 upon t log a upon a minus x. Instead of it, you can put here initial concentration upon final concentration, right? That is a naught upon a, right? So here, what is given to us? Time is given to us, just 2.303 upon t, it is 20 minutes. The next thing which is given to us, that if we take 100 parts of the reactant, right? The 15 part is being used up, 15% is being used up. So the 100 minus 15. So here it will become k equals to 2.303 upon 20 log 100 upon 85. Right students? This is log 100 upon 85. Either you can just do it here only, that's log 100, cancel with 5, it is 5, 7. So you can find out log 20 and log 17, right? And then on solving it, k equals to, we'll get 8.127 into 10 is to power minus 3 unit inverse. This is the unit of the rate constant, right? So once we have obtained this value, that is k equals to 8.127 into 10 raised to power minus 3 per minute, we are going to use the value of this rate constant, right, in the second part of the equation. So for it, we will again make the rate equation for the second case, 60% completion, right? So we are going to just put the value here. K value is known to us now. So k equals to 2.303 upon t log a upon a minus x. So here the rate constant value is 8.127 into 10 raised to power minus 3. And what is the time here? This we have to find out. So just t here. 100 is the initial concentration. Final constant 60% reaction has been completed. You can put here 100 minus 60. So how much it will be coming? It will come 40. So we will get here T equals to 8.127 into 10 is to power. Sorry, I'm just the denominator. So it will be 2.303 upon 8.127 10 is to power minus 3 log 100 upon 40, right? You can just solve it. Log 10, it is 25 is 22, right? We are getting it in this way. So it is log 100 minus 60, we have got 100 upon 40. So you can just get log 10 upon 4 log 4, right? So it will become 5. You cancelling it with 2, 2, 5 and 2, 2, right? So here you will get t equals to 2.303 upon 8.127 into 10 is to 5 minus 3. It is log 5, right? Minus log 2. Student, what is the value of log 5? 0.6990, and that of log 2 is 0.3010, right? This is there, and when you will, this is, you are not supposed to just show it in this way, right? You can just simply write down log 5 upon log 2 upon 2, and this part you don't need to show it. You can do it in the rough, and you will just write down the direct answer, right? That is 112.112.7 minutes, right, students? So just try to solve this type of numericals where we are using the integrated first order rate equation, right, as well as the half life period relation also. Student, now you can have you can have the next numerical here. That is the third one. It is for first order reaction. Calculate the ratio between the time taken to 3/4 of the reaction and the time taken to complete half of the reaction. So, student, here it is a first order reaction first of all, right? Second, we have to calculate the ratio, right? And that will be only possible if we first find out the time taken to get the 3/4 of the reaction complete, right? And the to get half of the reaction completed. That means we have to find out 3/4 and half life period, half of the reaction with half life period, and we have to calculate out the ratio between the two. Now that means ratio, that means we have to get it in this way, right? 3/4 upon t half. This we have to calculate out. So first we will calculate out the 3/4. Now we will use here the rate constant equation for the first order, integrated rate equation for the first order. K equals to 2.303 upon t log a upon a minus x, right? So here the we are just finding out here first the this t is for 3/4, right? That is equal to 2.303 upon k. So this is small k, okay? So log, if it is a only, right? Because here they haven't given us the percentage formation, it is given 3/4 of the reaction. So it is a. This is getting a minus x is the 3/4 part of a, right? So when you solve it out, what will you get here? You will get here, right, which is it is 4a minus 3a, that is a upon 4 you are going to get here, right? So we are writing here 3/4 equals to 2.303 upon k log a upon 4. So we will get a to a cancel. So here we are going to get T34 equals to 2.303 upon K. Here we are getting log 4. So student, this is the first part which we have done. Now we will just find out the T half of the reaction. Right? This was the first part. I am just getting it from here. So it will be now T half equals to 2.303 upon k log right? This is what half getting half of it. So it is a upon a minus a upon 2, right? So we will get here t half equals to 2.303 upon k. This will get log a upon 2. So what we will get here? We will get here t half equals to 2.303 upon k log 2, right? This is the second part of the equation. 3/4 is the first part, right? This one log 4, and this is t half equals to 2.303 k log 2. So second part of the question. Now we have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out the ratio between t 3/4 upon t half, right? So you can just get the ratio of the two, right? So for it, we are just going to just have the ratio of the the first two equation, right? So we can have it in this way: equation 1 by 2, equation 2, right? This is equation 2, or you can, this is there, so it will become t 3/4 upon t half equals to 2.303 upon k log 4 upon 2.303 upon k log 2. Now this part will get cancelled out, right? And what we are getting here log 4 upon log 2, right? So we are just put the value of log 4 and log 2 here upon t half. So it's 0.3010, right? Which will come. We're just putting the value. You can do it in this way also. Equals to twice of t half, right? This is there t 3/4 equals to twice t half. So here the 3/4 life period or the time period will be just double that of the t half, right, students? So you are going to do this in this way.